This is Video Focus. Welcome to part 3 of my free video toolkit guide. In the first episode I showed you where you can download tons of free video assets. In the second episode I showed you what you could do with some of that footage and use the blend modes to create light leaks or flares. And today I'm showing you what you can do with studio mats, what studio mats are, what track mats are, and how you can use it with the track mat key to create glitch effects, displacement, overlaying tons of footage in the single frame in unique shapes. And I just want to go on a bit about like what you can actually do with it. You can create such unique looks and styles with this video. I love using it for promotional videos, and once you figure out how to do it one way, there's really no stopping your creativity on how you can use this to transition from one clip to the other. I'm just going to interrupt myself right now because I'm editing this video and finding that it's 20 minutes long. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up into 4 videos and just upload them all at the same time. So if there's a particular part of this video you're interested in looking, I'm going to leave a link to each video in the description below, and I'm also going to add time codes to all the videos so you can find what you're looking for quickly, because that's what I've been finding from a lot of people that have been leaving comments in the videos. If you like this, make sure you leave a comment below, otherwise let's get on with the video. Well, let's jump into Premiere Pro and I'll show you what it is. So using a track mat with the track mat key effect, it allows us to push video through certain parts of other videos. So say for example this video here got a lot of unique shapes and it's animating on in a specific way. So in this case maybe I want to use this track mat to reveal my footage through these white bits of the video here. The track mat's a bit like a cookie cutter in the sense that the white bits are the middle of the cookie cutter and the black bits are the outside of it. So we're pushing the video through the white bits. It doesn't just have to be white and black though, it can be transparency as well. So if you're regardless whether you're dealing with an animated clip like this, and you can make animated clips like this in After Effects or in Premiere Pro, and you can see it animates off as well, or whether you're dealing with clips that have a transparent layer to it, you can use the track mat key to push videos through this. And this is also how you sort of push text, push a video through text, so then it's black and white but then your clip is showing in the word that says text or Edinburgh or whatever. So the way to think of a track mat is a bit like a cookie cutter. Let's go into these free Rampant Design track mats here. These are just MP4 files with, probably easier just to explain and show you, just an animation of something going from black to white using these shapes here. Now if we imagine the black is outside the cookie cutter and everything inside the cookie cutter is white, so whatever's white we're going to see and whatever's black we're not going to see, with grey being sort of transparency in between. Same with this track mat here, we're going to see that it goes from black to white circles and then to full white. So let's start off very simple. We're going to take this studio mat here. Studio mat's just what Rampant Design calls it, and I want the footage to reveal on, like I said before. What I'm going to do first is nest my footage, and I'll explain why in a second. Select your footage, go to Effects, find the track mat key and drag that onto your footage. You always want to make sure that your track mat key goes onto your footage, not your track mat. Go to your effect controls, and this is how we set this up. So this clip here doesn't have any transparency at all, and you can tell because if we hide that bottom clip there, go to the wrench tool in the program monitor and down to transparency grid, when it's black there's no checkered squares showing at all. If there was any transparency at all, some checkered squares would show up to indicate that. So let's reveal that footage again. So that means that we're not dealing with an alpha mat, we're dealing with a luma mat. Next we have to tell the track mat key effect where that track mat is, and if we go to our track mat on the sequence, move your cursor over, you can see it's on V2, set to V2. So now you can see There's the checker square again, it's transparent. We're revealing on our footage. That transparency will actually show up black if you ever export this out in an MP4. And then if we want to get rid of these wee lines, what we do is trim the top layer to where we want it to, cut our nested sequence, and just remove the track matte key. And just so it's a nice smooth effect and not too abrupt, we can apply a film dissolve, because right now it looks like this. If we add the dissolve and just do that to half a second,